This well-established community of valuable properties has paved roads, street lighting, and 24-hour security both on the gate and roaming the area. The land has electricity and is bordered on two sides by large residencies and security fencing at the rear. The land slopes gradually to the road below and has a number of mature trees that could be part of your landscape design. This land is in a superb position to take full advantage of the ocean view, both at the ground level and from any balcony or roof terrace that you are having fun designing. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.